Welcome back. Now today we're going to plant some bulbs. So I suppose this is a how to plant bulbs video, but really bulbs are super simple. So honestly, if you're new to bulbs and it's the first thing you've watched, it's easy. Let's start. Now, like with most things, you need to start off with a prepared bed. These three beds here are my allium beds. They've already got bulbs in them and have already been treated with a top layer of compost. They've been weeded. A few things have sprouted through, which I'll clear up in a minute, but otherwise they are good to go. Other areas of the garden aren't quite so prepared. I'm a little bit late, so I'm going to use these beds. Now I've got three types of bulbs to plant today, and that's all gifts, and they're obviously from a garden centre. So we've got these ones, which are a mixed tulip. We've got a white allium, so there you go. We have a purple allium. You can tell my wife likes alliums. And so another packet of the same mixed tulips. Now the plan, as I say, is to plant them in those beds over there. But bulb planting is dead easy. All you need to think about is, well, I say that, the back of the packet does have instructions, so easy. But really, you plant the bulb to the depth of the bulb and below. So bigger bulbs go deeper, smaller bulbs go more shallow. That's it, super simple. What I'm going to do though is show you how I lay them out, so let's do that next. So the next stage is lay your bulbs out. You see here, all I've done is put a bulb on the surface. There, there's another one over there. So I have three along here, along the back of that one, and the same then above the six, and there's one in the corner of each of the middle beds. So those are the tulips. And then I've interspaced the larger purple alliums. There's one there, same on the other side, back and back. So the same thing on that bottom bed. And on this one I've spread out the small white alliums, which actually look like garlic. There, little bulbs after all, along here, and they go around this bed. So by lying out the bulbs as you go, you can start to plan how it's going to look, a pattern. So you can sort of design as you go. You could do it on paper, of course. I'm really rubbish at that. So I lay the bulbs out so I can see what they look like. And once I've done them all, I've got an idea where they are. That's when I start to plant. So if you saw my how to plant onions and garlic video, and if you haven't, do go and watch it. You'll know this already. But with a bulb like this, they have a bottom and a top. So the bottom is this part, the flatter end, which is where you'll see the root still there, and the top is a pointy bit, which is the top. Obviously they go pointy bit up, so there you go. Now that is in the ground there. It is twice deep the depth of the bulb, which is the measurement you're going for. Just cover it over, and that's it. As long as you remember to plant the bulbs twice the depth of the bulb, by and large you will be fine. There's nothing great, there's no great skills to bulb planting. It's easy, it's just a job to do, and then it's well worth it come the spring. So get out there and plant your bulbs. I'm going to plant all these now next, and that'll be me done for today. I've got to go back indoors and get some other jobs done. But do make sure you do them before it gets too cold. December time is okay, but not much past that if you want growth through this coming spring. So if you haven't got bulbs yet and you're thinking about it, it's dead easy. Just go ahead and do it, just go for it. If you got any value out of this video, do please like and subscribe. It does help. I'm trying to grow the account. And that's it for now. I will see you next time. Bye.